In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can instantly make your business more valuable. But first, make sure you subscribe to my channel below. So I recently read the book, The Four by Scott Galloway. And in the book, he talks about the biggest four companies that we all use, the most valuable companies in the world: Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple. And what's fascinating about this book is how he relates them to Google, he relates to God, and Apple, sex, Facebook, love, and Amazon, consumption. God, love, sex, and consumption. So the fascinating thing about Apple is that most people think of it as a tech company, but it's really a luxury brand. And if you look at the top billion-dollar companies in Europe, they're all luxury fashion brands. Why? Because luxury appeals to sex. It makes people, it raises your status, it makes you more attractive to the opposite sex, which is what we're all interested in because we were put here to procreate. This is evolutionary psychology. So the bottom line here is that if you put more sex in your business, then your business will become more profitable. So how can you make your brand sexy? You know, maybe you can't compete with Google and have the world's knowledge, collective knowledge, just available at the ask of a voice command. Maybe you can't compete with Facebook and design a network that connects people across the globe instantly. Maybe you don't have the infrastructure of Amazon so that you can deliver stuff to people in 2 hours in some cases. They just have amazing logistics, and that's what it's all about: convenience and making it easy to consume. It's hard to compete with these things, but I bet you can do something to make your brand more sexy, no matter what type of company you're in. How does a brand resonate with different body organs? So Google resonates with your brain, that's knowledge. Facebook resonates with your heart, it's love, it's connection with others. Amazon resonates with the gut because it's about consumption, it's about fulfilling your core needs. And Apple relates to your genitals because it's about sex and procreation. So which body parts does your brand resonate with? The brain, the heart, the gut, the genitals. So think about that. Let me know in the comments if your brand is already sexy, or if not, what you can do to make it sexier. This is Ethan King signing out. I'll see you on the next video.